Okay, we're going to quickly go over how to assemble these muzzle accessories for the brick blaster. So the assembly process is going to be the same for both of these, but I'm just going to show you on this gray one because it's easier to see. Now what you're going to need is the muzzle body piece here, the main body piece, and each muzzle requires 6 of these TPU rails. So installation is very simple. All we have to do is look at this end. You can see how there's all these, hopefully you can see, there's all these slots here, 6 on each one. And these rails simply fit in like this. Push them in. You can take a closer look at these ones. They only fit in one way. There's this wide rail that's has a chamfer on this end. So that goes in this way. So there, super simple. You do that 6 times, and these are what provide the friction hold against the outer barrel of the actual blaster. So just like that. Here we go. Now you can see the rails are all in there. And that's it. Here's the blaster. You can see it just slide that on. So it should hold pretty securely. Again, installation is the same on this one too. It's just harder to see the slots because this one's black, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, I forgot to mention one thing. If for whatever reason you gotta take out these rails, there's a little gap on either side here. You can use tweezers. Just grab the end of the rail and you can pull them out. So they can be replaced if you need to do that.